Alright, this is the USB-C to USB-A adapter. I bought two of these, and they came in separate boxes, but in the same package. So, taking it out real quick, I mean, obviously this is really easy. This is just a simple product. Oh, wow. I just realized they sent me 4. So I got 2 of these. It has nothing to do with the video. Okay, so they come in one box, and you get 2 of them. They sent me 4. Here we go. So this is it. You have the USB-A to USB-C. Real simple product. All you're doing is going from the USB to C, so you can use different devices on, newer technology. This goes from a USB-C or USB-A 3 to a Thunderbolt 4/3. It could work with either one. And the key thing here is just to know that it's a transfer speed of up to 5 gigabytes per second, which is pretty good. Well, it's really kind of top of the line right now. The rest of what I'm going to say real quick is just that it's really good quality. This is, well, I think it's metal. Everything seems, I'm trying to get you close in there without getting out of focus, seems really high quality. I don't see any flaws in it. It looks great. I am happy with it. And I'd be remiss if I didn't say that it came with instructions. So I don't know how you could need instructions with this, but there you go.